In the Affiliorama lessons, we cover loads of different ways of getting traffic. Now, some of these methods are paid, such as PPC, pay-per-click advertising, and some are free, like SEO, search engine optimization, but take a little more time and effort on your part. Now, you can find more information on both of these traffic methods in Introduction to PPC and Introduction to SEO. If this all seems a bit overwhelming, don't panic. Getting started with affiliate marketing is actually really easy. Start by checking out the Affiliate Marketing for Beginners lesson. Now, these exciting video lessons will get you started on the right foot and teach you the basics of affiliate marketing. And most importantly, you need to take action. The most successful affiliate marketers are those who do, rather than those who think about doing. Take what you learn from Affiliorama and start working hard. You might not get it right the first time, but the experience is what really counts when you are learning affiliate marketing. You will hone your skills and abilities over time, so don't sweat the fine points.